We're gonna start this project with large brush and light blue paint. We're gonna make a straight line and then we'll paint everything above this line. Next, we'll use darker shade of light blue to create a straight line and then paint everything in below that line. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and light pink paint to create an outline of the oval. Then we're gonna paint it in. Now we're gonna switch to a small brush to paint a neck. We're gonna start with 3 dots. Then we'll connect those 3 dots by creating arches. Now we can make neck a little bit thicker. Now on the top of the neck we'll create an oval and then we'll paint it in. On the other side of Flamingo we'll paint couple brush strokes using light pink paint to paint feathers. We'll use yellow paint and tip of our small brush to paint one straight line from Flamingo down to the water. The second leg will be bent. We'll paint a shorter line to the right and then another line to the left. And then we'll add 3 small fingers and 2 small circles. Using darker blue paint, we'll add a couple arches in the water. For the next step of the project, you can use medium-sized brush or small brush to paint couple thin light green lines hanging from the top of the painting. We'll be using small brush and light green paint to paint small leaves on each side of light green line. Next, we'll be using dark green paint. You can keep using small brush or switch to a medium-sized brush. We'll start with one green line and then we'll add more long leaves on each side. Now you can paint couple larger leaves on the opposite side of the painting. After cleaning our medium-sized brush, we're gonna use bright pink paint to paint a wing on top of our flamingo. We'll use small brush and white paint to create half of the beak. After wiping your brush, you can use black paint to paint the other half of the beak. We can create thin black line on the white part of the beak. Using tip of your brush, you can paint an eye with black paint. I'll be adding second layer of light pink to make it brighter. Now you can use small brush and dark green paint to paint lianas on the top of the artwork. We'll be adding small dark green leaves on both sides of the plant. Now with light green paint, we'll add details to those larger leaves. Our final step will be to sign your name or initial in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.